Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Let me introduce to you my guest right here, Dr. Jams in the
Hey,
house.
hey. Are we live?
We are live.
Nice, nice. Yeah,
Beautiful. Good to have you here,
so
Dr. Jams.
yeah, it was late night yesterday, right?
Exactly.
And a
Yesterday we
lot
had
of
a
things happened.
live stream on Dr. Jams channel and quite good value was given there. So you can still go to his channel and check out the video. Now let's jump into the market and see what's happening here with Bitcoin right now. So let's make the full chart. All right, I don't have the Messari premium, but let me check it out here.
Okay,
So
so
here,
what
that's
has happened yesterday?
so here I like to use always Messari. Messari can get a lot of data, more than you can get on TradingView or CoinMarketCap. So here you can see literally all the markets, all the prices, how much volume they have here on the right side. And here you can also see news and what else is happening in the market, which is very nice. Then you can see here a lot of other information like all-time high, all-time high date, how much percentage is down from all-time high. Here you can see 62% down from all-time high, and also 65% from cycle low. So basically, we are quite even in the profit and loss. Let's say if you would have bought the bottom, you would have made 68%. If you would have bought the top, you would be down 62%. So very equal.
It's a break even, right? So,
It depends
but
where you bought.
more.
That's
Yeah, exactly. But let me ask you one thing. Like we were talking yesterday about cyber,
Cyber. Yeah,
and
let's check out Cyber actually. Yeah.
I think we were predicting it that it will fall down and it is very hard to trade actually. And what actually happened was that Cyber went even up to 16 cent before it dropped during the
Yes,
night.
exactly. Now it's
And then
sitting at
came,
9:30 right now.
yeah, can you zoom out the chart a little bit
Let me
or zoom in
see.
like 24 hours?
It's the 7 days maybe.
No, no, no. Make the last 12 or 24 hours.
24 hours. So
Yes.
here it went like on some exchanges even up to $27. You can see high
No way.
was $27. So that's quite
Well, I
interesting.
was trading on BitGet. I think you were on Bybit, right? And I think it was around 15, 16 cent before it got like
$15.
really, really low.
Dollars.
$15, yes. And I think now it went down to even $8, $7, which is quite crazy.
Exactly. Like now we're sitting on Bybit right now. It's $8.70, and it even went down to $7 before. So a lot of volatility. If you took advantage of it, take profits. Always take profits. The market is not in for long-term holding right now. So I only holding Ethereum and Bitcoin. Besides that, I'm quite sellish, I would say.
Sellish. Okay. And how come like there are so many exchanges and they have like different prices?
Oh yeah, that's basically depends on like if you take out the coin, 1 second, where was it again? Like I think here you can see CoinGlass. On CoinGlass you can
Yeah.
see all the data of all the different exchanges. So here you can see it has like 7 billion volume on Binance, guys. 7 billion. That's insane. Then we have another billion on BingX, another 2.46 billion on Bybit, and another 377 million on BitGet. So a lot of interest. A lot of people are probably trading this volatility right now and are trying to make some nice profits. Me and James, we also did some very nice trades yesterday with it. It actually kept us up almost the whole night, but I have to say it's quite dangerous to open a trade because the price is jumping like 30 cents, like it can jump 30 cents in the next second. So be very careful. I use at most 5x leverage with this kind of volatility. So that's why be very careful when you see this volatility and don't gamble too much. Don't FOMO in, don't use too much high leverage. Even with 5x, you can make a lot of gains. 5x, it's a lot, guys. It's a lot of leverage. Let me see what else we have here. So we have like, let's check out the shorts and long liquidations. Can you see them on the screen, Dr. James?
I still have like
Okay.
some technical issues if you just recognize it. I
Yeah,
just
yeah,
dropped out
I
and
just
then back. Yeah.
put you back in
So,
here.
mhm.
Can you see the short liquidations and the long liquidations on the right sides?
Yes.
Exactly. So here you can see around 1 million was liquidated in longs on Binance. But I can hear me double now.
I have very nice noise in the background. Can you hear it?
Yeah, also. But I
Yes.
can hear also my voice double.
There are like a lot of goats right now here. Like hundreds of goats running through the
Mhm.
streets.
Wir
So,
müssen das wieder klären. Ich höre mich
hmm?
die ganze Zeit doppelt und die hören mich auch doppelt.
Are you sure?
Ganz sicher.
Something wrong there? The only thing we can do is like I
Geh
can
noch mal
use
rein,
like
raus und rein. Vorhin sind war nicht so. Okay, then we have like 2 million in short liquidations here on Binance alone. Then we have another 3.6 million in liquidations, in short liquidations on Bybit, and 1.86 million liquidations on longs. So as you can see, the shorts were destroyed. Like if you would have opened a short like yesterday, you would have been
yeah.
evacuated from the market.
It's
What do you
crazy,
think, Dr.
crazy,
James?
crazy, bro. Yeah, of course, man, of course. But we actually made some good gains, even in the morning, I have to say, when it dropped down to 7.77. And yeah, now I'm not trading it because it's a huge gamble. We cannot predict the market concerning these. I don't want to call it shitcoin, but like coins where there's like so much volatility. But let us get back. Is there any news like during the night which has been happening to Bitcoin or
Let's check out
Ethereum?
the CoinDesk website and see if you can see something.
Yes.
Oh, here actually they are, even on CoinDesk, they are talking about cyber right now. People are paying 2% to buy cyber as
Yeah, this
social
is
network.
what I. Yeah, this is what I have been posting yesterday in our live.
So here you can see like the funding fee, like even before it's like sitting at 2% right now. So 2%, if you let me explain to you how you calculate it. So 2%, let's say you use $1,000 and use 10x leverage, then you're gonna pay 2% on the $10,000, which is around $200 right now. So basically, um, it's that's what you pay for you borrowing the money. But actually, if you go long, now the funding rate is negative. So if you go long, you would get this 2%. So let's say you open a trade for $10,000 with $1,000, you would get $200 every 4 or 8 hours, depending how the rate is changing. So basically, you are getting paid or you pay for borrowing the money. So you can see quite high rate. Like even Bluezell last week was not so high. Bluezell was around 1%. So that's very interesting to see that the people are willing to pay. So that means there's a lot of interest on this coin. If the funding rate is high, the interest on the coin is quite high also. So that's
Mhm.
why. Besides
Yeah, I
that,
saw on Twitter, man. I saw on Twitter like many people called out for short, like also a lot of influencers, also some friends of us. Like it's crazy, but when I saw like in those groups, and some of them were like shorting it with like over 50x leverage, I was like, whew,
hmm,
these people have to have some balls, man.
of course, of course. Let me pull up my Twitter and check out the ticker. Let's see if people are talking about it. Let's see. So if you want to see how people are talking about the coin, you just type in cash sign, the dollar sign,
Mm.
and the token name. So hashtag cyber, that's how you call it. Then you type it in and you see what people are talking about it. Cyber capitulation, nothing goes up, only and heavy correction always comes after parabolic rally. Yeah, I agree. Cyber spot and future, eyes on it. Okay. What's happening with the price of cyber? So a lot of people are
Mm.
basically have their eyes on it. 7 billion volume, that's what the people are talking about. That's insane. Then let's check out also their official page and see if they made some news. They have 462,000 followers on Twitter, guys. That's quite
Yeah,
impressive.
it is impressive, brand, but I don't understand it at all. You know, like when you see how less they are posting, they are not really active on Twitter. Uh, so I don't know what is my opinion about it. I saw it yesterday also, you know, on the live, and like I
Okay,
mean,
let's
if it
see
was
what's
my
this.
coin and it's pumping that hard, like I would expect to post something on Twitter, but there was like literally nothing.
Yeah, that's very, very interesting.
It's crazy, man. Well, let us besides crypto, like about lifestyle and stuff. I saw like many people also from the crypto space are right now in the US for a nice event, the Burning Man. And what do you think? Have you ever been to Burning Man?
Not yet, but it's
Not
definitely
yet.
on my list. I'm for sure, like, I wanted to go, like, even one friend, he wanted to sell me his ticket, but I'm quite busy right now building some amazing project, so that's why I had to skip this year, but next year I'm definitely gonna check Burning Man out. It's for sure, I heard like there's a lot of tech entrepreneurs, CEOs who are just going there and to take some couple days off and disconnect from the technical and online world.
Yeah, you can even chill with Elon Musk, right?
That's what I heard. That's what I heard.
Hook him up
So,
for a ride on the bike. So
oh yeah,
yeah,
we also have some news about X. Like I think X just got the license for crypto payments, if I'm not mistaken. Let me quickly pull up X.
and they're
X.
still prolonging on Dodge or not? Like,
I mean, there's like a couple rumors that he's gonna use Dodge. Then there's a couple rumors that they're gonna use Xcoin. But I don't know. Like I think Elon Musk, he said that he's not planning on releasing any coin or token right now. So I'm not sure about that.
yeah, it would be
Okay.
like a quite big thing. I mean, like how many users would like use it, even if he like pays them out in crypto. Like, just think of all these.
Exactly. Let's wait for Dr. James to come in back again. He went a little bit for
So I
here.
really don't know
Here he is back.
life, man. I don't know why I'm always dropping out. I
All
think
right.
my
Let's check out
laptop
maybe
is still on
the
lockdown mode. Hmm?
let's check out a little bit maybe the gainers and losers list. So in the
Yeah,
top 100, we have here we have Angola up
Angola.
136%.
Shout outs to Angola. So everybody who's watching us from Angola.
Then we have
But
Coin, PNDC. A lot of people were actually talking about this coin. I don't know what it is, but I saw it a lot on Twitter, and also a lot of this spammy stuff. They are tagging me.
yeah, it's crazy.
So let's check it out. Let's check out the website. I'm really interested and see what the people are talking about this coin right here. So here we have it. It's called Pondo-X, the website. It's just a contract, so it looks like a meme coin to me. Let's check out our Twitter.
It's so funny, in the crypto market, especially,
Okay.
even everything is like bearish or going down. There are always opportunities to make high gains and just shift your cryptos into like one or two coins and make like good profits
Oh yes,
and then
of course,
just
of course.
resell it. It's
Here we have
crazy. Like
LimeWire. I actually did the LimeWire private sale. Didn't went so
bro, did
well
you know that
actually.
I was like one of the first guys who signed up at LimeWire, the new social
That's nice. But
social app,
actually it didn't
which
went
they
well at all. Like here
yeah.
you can see I made like 61% minus on this private sale, so was not a very good one.
Yeah, we were even trying, like a friend of mine, he told me about it, and I actually didn't know about that LimeWire is going to make this new app. Like, I think they're gonna want to do something like TikTok or something. And he's quite famous, and he told me about it. And then he told me, like, yeah, maybe you can just reserve some nice names. So I registered like Champagne Poppy and stuff.
Oh
So
yeah?
in case in case they want to register, yeah, you can of course make some money out of it, just for fun. But yeah, I've never heard anything about LimeWire. So there was like a big hype about it for like only 2-3 weeks, and they didn't deliver it till now. I think it was back in May.
Something like that, yeah. Something like that. Besides that, what we have? Let's see what's the biggest losers today.
The big L.
Okay,
Ooh,
we have some tokens 30% down, which is not so bad for the
Pepe,
current market situation. But yeah,
bro, the
it's
Pepe community.
30% down.
No.
Shia. This token
Do,
also
do
went.
you do
Shia
you have
Saga.
do you have some Pepe? Do you have some Pepe?
Still have a little bit, but I took most of the profits on Pepe.
I never bought it, but I think this was the most funniest time in this year, like the Pepe community, like all these memes and
Yeah, it was
everywhere.
like actually a
It was
nice
really
time.
creative. Yeah, and
So
it was
here you can
also
see
like
it's Pepe is still up 308x since the
but this is
launch.
Shiba,
So
bro. This is Shiba.
oh, this is Shiba. This is Shia. Actually,
This is
Shia Saga. Also, these guys they did quite
but
well.
yeah.
Interesting, interesting.
Do you
Okay, I
see
don't know
any
anything
future for
about the
Shiba?
token. Possible. I mean, it's like always a gamble with these meme coins. It can go up a lot
Yeah.
or it can go to zero. Maybe all of them can go to zero. So some
But Shiba
can.
is actually like something more than just a meme coin, right?
Yeah, I think they also released their own chain right now, like
Yeah.
1, 2 weeks ago. So they are building, looks good. So let's see what's gonna happen in the future.
Yeah, hopefully they make something good out of it.
Exactly, exactly.
Nice, nice.
All right, what else? Do we
So the
have
big
something
L
else
of today.
that we can talk about? But it's not Shiba. This is Shiba Saga. This is a different coin on the Shiba network. Just for the explanation. All right, what else do we have to talk about? If you have some questions, type it in the chat. What else?
Oh my God.
It's happening. Yeah, okay. I think. Do you have something that you want to say, or should we wrap it up? We already
I
are
just
at
think
20
like
minutes.
yeah, I think today is just a little bit recap about like what has happened also with the cyber stuff. And guys, it's a weekend. During the weekends, during summer, there's not so much going on, but we will still try to find out the things, the big L's, the big G's, which are winning. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, just write it into the comment or in the chat box. Share our link. share our live, and we will be very appreciating it when you guys like leave us some positive or critical feedback. And yeah, as we are starting this right now, I think within the next few weeks, Mario and we will going to make like some really, really quality content and also prepare a little bit more. And if you want to know, like, if you see something or also about like scams, or somebody approaches you and says like, hey, I'm not quite sure about this, just write Mario or me. You can also add us on Twitter or write it in the comment section, and then we can go into it in our lives, because we are going to make it, I think, almost daily, and then we can discuss it and see like, hey, this has potential, this has not potential. We can check out the websites, because what I have recently seen, like, there are so many on Twitter, like pulling up some airdrops, and you go on the site, it looks so beautiful, like really professional, and it's just a scam, like they're just gonna want to connect with your wallet, and you. So this is also what our mission is about. Like, we want you to protect you from scams in this crypto world, because we believe that crypto is like the most secure thing, which has the most integrity. But social engineering is the thing where it always fails, and this can only be reduced when we educate people and you educate yourself. So, Mario, anything
Exactly.
else to say? Because
Yeah,
otherwise,
so
I
never
have to leave
click
to
on
the other.
links. Never click on links. Never send any money to anyone who's writing you in private. Make sure to do your own diligence always. It's better
Dior.
to wait and take your time, learn before, or try it with, like, you can start with $10, then you can see what's gonna happen. But don't FOMO in. Keep your calm and make sure to always take profits. So this was it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comments if you have some question or you want to know something about the market or private sales, crypto tokens, blockchain stuff, infrastructure stuff. I'm here to answer your questions. So
And you are also heading out for the token 20. What was it?
exactly. I'll be in
Yeah,
Singapore in around 10 days. So
nice.
if you're there, let me know. Would be glad to make some pictures, check out some projects there, and have some nice conversations about the market.
Nice. Okay, guys, have a wonderful Saturday wherever you are right now in the US. Maybe you're sleeping, but make sure you have a great day.